Good morning, friends. I'm Pawanvi and he is my friend SSM. Today I'm going to explain about acid rain. Acid rain causes when the pollutants mix with the rainwater in the atmosphere. The main pollutants are sulfur dioxide and the nitrogen oxide. These pollutants often come from the burning of fossil fuels in nuclear power plants and vehicles. The acid rain also causes damage to the trees and the plants, and which makes the soil unfertile. Uh, Soil unfertile. Breathing air with a high level of sulfur dioxide can also lead to the respiratory problems. So, government and industries should work together to maintain this acid rain and eradicate the acid rain. Now, my friend Yashas will show how the model works. See how the acid rain comes and it burns the trees and the trees. Thank you.